Hello, my name is Rakshit and welcome to today's video. I'll be explaining about GitHub Desktop, how to install it and use it. For those of you who don't know about GitHub, GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on project from anywhere. At the heart of GitHub is a Git. Git is a version control system that manages and stores revisions of your project. Now, what is GitHub Desktop? A GitHub Desktop is a tool that allows you to interact with GitHub from the desktop application. With this new application, you can work easier without having to depend on your browser. And main advantage of this is that you do not need to remember Git commands. Once you install this application, you should find it easier to contribute to projects simply and efficiently. GitHub Desktop is an Electron app written in TypeScript and can be easily installed either in Windows or Mac OS. The installation of GitHub Desktop is simple as any other Windows application installation. All you need to do is follow this link and click on the download button and follow the few simple steps. I've already completed the download process, and once you sign in to your GitHub Desktop application, it will similarly look like this. You will find all the projects you are working on listed in the sidebar. If you are starting a new project, use the file drop-down to create a new repository, or you can clone your existing repository from the GitHub. Now, to create a new repository of your local project, you can either use file menu or simply drag your existing project structure to GitHub and click on a create a repository button. You can either description if you want and click on the create repository button. Now repository is created and you need to publish it. To do that, click on the publish repository button. Same as you can add description if you want, and you can either make your repository public or private by clicking these options. I'm going to choose public right now and click on a publish repository. Now your repository is published as well. You can view that in your GitHub account as well. Now to clone an existing repository, go to file and select clone repository. Now you need to select a repository that you need to clone. Choose the local path where you need to store your repository and hit on the clone. Now your repository has been successfully cloned. You can click on the show in Explorer button to check your repository in your file explorer. You can also open your project in the code editor directly. I have selected Visual Studio Code as my default, but you can choose accordingly. Now let's make some changes in your file. As you can see, all your changes in code will reflect here. Now to commit these changes, all you need to write is a summary. I'm gonna write updated in index.html. Description is optional and click on commit button. Now your changes are committed and you need to push them to your GitHub. Your changes are now pushed to the GitHub repository. You can verify it in your repository. Now it has 2 commits which we have just made. You can also create new branches with the help of this button. Branch is used to isolate development work without affecting other branches in the repository. Branch will allow you to develop features, fix bugs, or safely experiment with new ideas in content area of your repository. Night mode is also available in the file and option menu. Go to appearance tab and you can see that dark and light, both of the modes are available in your GitHub Desktop application. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Hope this will help you to use GitHub Desktop application.